Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin apps in your Android phone. So at first, open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down and then go to security and privacy. After that, scroll down a bit and then go to more security settings. Then scroll down again and at the bottom, you can see pin app option. Now you have to enable this option from here and it's done. Now just to go to home screen. Now if I open YouTube, now if you want to pin YouTube app, just tap on recent button. Then you have to tap on YouTube logo. And here you can see pin this app option. Then just tap here. And it's done. You can see your app has been pinned successfully. Now if you want to unpin this app, then you have to use your two fingers. Then just tap here. Then you have to unlock your phone. And it's done. You can see your app has been unpinned successfully. And that is how you can pin app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe